Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 19th January 2025. Title of Murli. Become an authority of experience in all four subjects and transform problems into solutions. Bap Dada said, "The Father, the comforter of hearts, is giving love and affection from the heart to each Brahman child at the confluence age. This love of the Supreme Soul is received through one source and at one time only throughout the whole cycle. So, does such spiritual intoxication remain immersed in your every action? You children are souls who have a right to self-sovereignty and self-respect. The list of your self-respect is also very long. This self-respect is such elevated pride that it destroys various kinds of impure pride. However, self-respect should not just be thought about, but experienced. Because the greatest authority in Brahman life is the authority of experience. Even if 1,000 people try to erase something experienced, it cannot be erased. Even Maya cannot erase experience. So, check, have you brought every subject into experience? An experienced embodiment soul can transform any problem into a solution in a second with the authority of his experience. In the end, Bap Dada said especially to the Pandavas, you should be destroyed. We are such victorious Pandavas of every cycle, who are very dear to the Pandav husband. And the mothers should also have this intoxication that Baba has come for us. The children said, Baba is mine, and the father said, I am yours. You children can make God yours in whatever form you want, at whatever time, in whatever relationship you want. Blessing for today. May you be a constant destroyer of obstacles by constantly wearing your obstacle-proof shining, angelic dress. Details are: in order to be a constant destroyer of obstacles for yourself and others, bid farewell to question marks and keep your stock of all powers full by putting a full stop. Constantly wear your obstacle-proof, shining angelic dress. Do not wear a dress of mud. Together with this, remain decorated with the jewelry of all virtues. Always be a Shakti with 8 weapons, a complete idol, and keep your feet of an elevated life on a lotus flower. Slogan is: pay full attention to this study, and you will claim a number in the first division. Om Shanti.